On this episode, the race to get our drift cars ready continues. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be trying to repair my power steering pump. So if you check down here, you see that it's just the light's bad. See, this is all disconnected from my power steering. Then if I get up underneath, you'll see that that pipe right there is totally split. So I need to replace that and possibly some other parts so I can get the power steering on the car fixed so I can drift her. Okay, let's start by lifting the car up. Okay guys, if you look now underneath the car, you'll see that one of the pipes for the power steering has completely blown and it's completely snapped in half. So I'm going to need to remove this. Let's see, up to here, see that bolt there, remove that, and then there's another connection just here which goes into this hose pipe. So I'm going to get this all disconnected first and see where we go from there. Okay. Let's see what we need. Okay guys, so that bolt is looking like a number 18 spanner, but it's looking pretty crusty, so if I just zoom in on it, it's looking pretty crusty, so let's hope that it comes off. Wish me luck. Sorry for the view today guys, no tripod, no cameraman, so we do what we have to. Well, hey, we have action. She is free. You got her. Now, on to the other side. What I did there, guys, to get it free, I'll show you close up. What I did was, I had more grip on the opposite side than the side I needed to get off. So what I actually did was, I got it on, and then I forced it the way that would tighten, and then pulled it back, and then forced it the way it would tighten, and it started to break free. So then when I got my leverage, and then I just, bang, broke it. Okay guys, so next we're going to remove this bolt down here. See this one right here, and what you need for the job is a ratchet, an extension arm, a wobble head, and a 12mm socket. Pretty easy. And we got her. And now this is free. Okay guys, so next I'm underneath the car again, and we are just going to remove that bolt right there. So this is a 12mm bolt as well, so we're just going to take that off, and that should release the pipe. Shit, look how crusty this fucker is underneath. Just giving no love for our previous owner. Okay, so the bolt is now out, so this should be nice and free. Should be able to just take the pipe out. There we have it. The pipe is out. Okay guys, so this is the return side of the power steering pipe. So all looking good up here so far. So it must just be the brake right here that's causing the issue and giving me no power steering. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to come back to this, and possibly when I'm after ordering the new part. Stay tuned. For you it might just be a second, for me it'll probably be about a fucking week, who knows. Yeah, so I'll cut back to it. Peace. And we're back. So I went and picked up my new power steering pump. Let's go. Okay guys, I had to remove the hose pipe here for the air box just to get a bit more clearance. I've dropped the pipe down and we're just going to tighten the nuts up. Okay, I'm just gonna, oh, that's very tight. I'm gonna have to loosen this a little bit just so I can maneuver the pipe. Just a few clicks. And then I'm gonna house that. See that down there? We're just housing that inside and screwing it up. Well, biggie. Yeah, sorry for that one, guys. So I had to jump cut that one. I had to unscrew the bolt to then get it in. So it was just a little bit extra there that I missed out on. I'm going to use this soap and water as a nice degreaser. The new bolt is now in. The pipe is all connected and up, so we should be good to go. What I might do is I might get a cable tie and just tie everything up nice and tidy and secure. We are all in with the power steering. One little problem though, forgot to get some fluid. So we're gonna have to run to the shop and go get some fluid. Let's go. What's up guys, we're back. The guy in the Motor Factor says I can use some automatic transmission fluid, so we're just getting ready to pour it in. Bear with me now, I'm on my own, so shooting this is going to be a bit more difficult while I'm pouring, so we'll do what we have to. Well, that went fucking terribly.
Well, that was fucking dreadful.
Could I have missed any more? Let me know in the comment section below. 'Cause I fucking doubt it. Moment of truth time, guys. What I want you to do, before I reveal if I was successful or fail, I want you to go down in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Do you think I did everything okay? Will it run first time? Will we have power steering? Let me know in the comment section below. Look, guys, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll really help us out. It's time, guys. Moment of truth. Let's start her up. Okay, no fluid pissing everywhere like last time, so that's good. Okay. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Before, I couldn't do this with both hands, let alone just with one finger. That is the fucking magic right there. Let's fucking go. Woo! That was crazy, guys. Thank God that all went right. Okay. So let's check underneath. Let's jump down. Turn on the flash. Let's see if we have any leakages around the bolts. Oh, clean as a whistle.